How to remove Gcash in Shopee. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to show you how you will be able to remove Gcash from your Shopee transaction. So first things first, go over here on your Me section and scroll down towards the My Wallet. Simply select Shopee Pay, which is typically being used, especially when your account is connected with Gcash. After that, click on the settings icon over here on the top right, and you will be redirected to Shopee Pay settings. As you can see here, you will be able to see linked payment methods and linked app services. Now, if your Gcash is connected, it should appear over here in the linked payment methods, which you can easily remove. And sometimes it would also appear in the linked app and services because of course Gcash also has an app. But if it's one of this option, you will be able to easily remove it in this section over here that we are showing right now. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.